All right, so I just got a hold of the Tana test flight build. And so we are going to first sign in to Tana. All right, so this is awesome because I have not been able to use Tana on my Apple Vision Pro. So let's go into today. Oops. I want to go to browse and to today. Okay. And so I have a fairly extensive setup of how I have my today node set up. And we're just going to wait a second while it loads everything in because I'm not like your normal bear. So, for instance, I have what did I do yesterday? What am I working on? What's coming up? What am I grateful for? And then these are some things that, like the 10,000 steps exercise, red light therapy. I try to do those every day. But it's just amazing that we can have access to everything here. I can search for stuff. This is just crazy. So yeah, underneath, this is why it's taking so long to load. And I may take this off of my my today node and put it in my pinned nodes because I have tasks working on this week. I'll probably leave that there. Projects working on this week. And then I have all of my overdue tasks. And that is a huge list that I will probably remove from my daily node just to speed up the speed of loading my today node. But man, this is really, really exciting for what's going on here. And so, for instance, these are optional Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are optional fields. So this is something that isn't quite supported in this version of Tana yet. So just bear that in mind. Those won't normally show up, right? And it looks like I've got an unsupported node in the search there. Something in there it doesn't like, but wow, I'm really stoked about this. And I already put in my first task for tomorrow. So I've got my tasks in there. And the only thing that it's not coming up is the command blocks, right? So I've got command blocks in regular Tana, and that will come later. Let me see if AI blocks actually work. Let's go into browse, trading plan this week. Do I not have a trading plan this week? Or is it just taking time to load? That's curious. So let's see. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, so what day is it? It's the 22nd. So if I go into the 22nd and actually, let's just go, I'm going to go back to today. I'm going to create a new not capture. Yeah, I know it's not available because I'm recording. I meant Okay. Is today, no tag. And I'm going to select a tag. Trading session. And I'm just going to put that in there as a placeholder and then send it. Here are my references. Great, so there's our, yeah, so it looks like our AI stuff isn't quite here yet for like adding AI based stuff. And I can do another video to show you what I'm talking about there. But man, this is freaking cool that we can have all of this just our fingertips.